already making some fish on the grill. So we got 2 8-ounce packages of Portobello mushrooms, and then we're gonna rinse them off, and then we are going to make a marinade from balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and maybe about a teaspoon of Bida. So in making the marinade, I realized it could use a little something, so I added a half of lime and a little bit of Cajun seasoning, and then I'm gonna brush it onto the mushrooms on both sides. So we put our marinade on, and we are gonna go ahead and just put them on the grill with everything else that's out. So they are on the grill. We have them on the top rack because our bottom rack is full. Ignore my burnt up sausages and the fish. Okay, so I think they've been out here maybe like 5-10 minutes, and they have some nice grill lines on them. So they're looking pretty good. Our mushrooms are done now. We're gonna go ahead and take them off. I think total cook time was maybe about 15 minutes, but they do look really good.
Plate.
You have to announce yourself. You want to see how the bottom looks? It's nicely thin. Oh, it is really good. Tastes perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.